Art is about more than creating a product, movement, or sound. It's about the expression of human creation and community.
In 2006, the City of Oil City embarked on an initiative to attract artists to our town because of the affordable cost of real estate, because of the scenic beauty, and because of the momentum from artists that were already here and the arts and cultural opportunities that were happening. That initiative attracted over 45 artists over the years who purchased homes. Many of them set up studios in the National Transit Building.
Hi, I'm Marcy Hall. I relocated to Oil City from Erie, Pennsylvania, about an hour and a half north. I have a studio here in the National Transit Building that does kind of bring people together who might be separated by, long distances. Realizing that there's so much art in Venango County is really important, because I think people tend to think that art is in cities, and I just came from a city where there is a lot of art. But moving here, there's not a decided difference. I feel like there's so much art here.
There are so many ways to appreciate and express art in the community. We often think of traditional ways like pottery, painting, things that you might see in a gallery, but there's so many ways to also express it that you might not think of every day. Like, I'm standing in the Barrow Civic Theater and we have the performing arts, and that's also including dance studios. We have photography, the murals and the architecture. Visit a community event like Cranberry Festival where you can listen to live music and your kids can draw with chalk. Venango County really offers opportunities for anyone to express art in any way that they want or are able to.
Always eventful, Franklin, Pennsylvania is a beautiful and welcoming performing arts community. The sound of the Silver Cornet Band can often be heard during our summer concert series. Our restaurants play host to live music of all kinds year-round. In July and August, you can join us in Bandstand Park on Wednesday nights for our Taste of Talent. It is a local vocal competition. We'd love to see you there.
We do events for the community such as Bridge Fest and a host of many other activities. One of our biggest events is the Oil Heritage Festival Art Show. We are fortunate enough to have almost 300 entries every year. Many of the artists that enter the art show are also featured their extra work down in TAG, which is our Transit Arts Gallery and Gifts located in the basement of the National Transit Building.
So if you haven't already, please come and experience our arts culture in Venango County. Whether it's going to an art gallery, whether it's going out and getting a workshop on how to paint a painting, whether it's coming out and seeing a dance recital, whether it's going to our theater and experiencing a live show, a festival, a local area that has live music for free, whatever that opportunity comes, come and see what we have in Venango, especially in our arts culture.
And a lot of different things bring people here. There are opportunities to sell your artwork and the different shops that have different forms of art, to participate in different gallery showings, and also just to get involved in the community. So through Be Here and the Arts in Venango initiative, we encourage you to visit or even call Venango County your home. There are so many ways to live, work, and play here, and arts truly play a huge role in that. So we hope to see you here.